Yeah, come in.
You still on it?
Yes, I just want to be sure that I'm done with this before leaving.
It's getting late already. You should have assigned this to Philip. I mean, that's why you're the CEO.
Look, I know, but listen, I just feel like nobody can do this better than me right now. I know this is a huge deal. I don't want to take any chances.
As expected. You like stressing yourself a lot. Anyway, I'm good to go. As you can see, everyone else has gone home except the both of us.
By the way, did you finalize with Kamari Homes about the deal?
Not really. We are having a meeting on Wednesday.
Okay, but look, whatever happens, just make sure they dance to our tune, okay?
All right, boss. Catch you tomorrow.
All right.
What is it?
Mommy, for how long would you continue staying here? When are we going to get our place?
Soon, okay? Very soon.
But you said that the last time. I'm tired of sleeping on the floor. It's so cold.
I know, baby. I know it's cold. But Mommy is really trying her best. I've been trying to save up some money for us to get a new place, but houses are really expensive, hence the delay. Don't worry. I promise you, I will get us a place very soon. And don't worry about the cold. Mommy will cuddle you tightly tonight. Okay?
Okay, Mommy.
Get some rest, baby. Sorry. Ta-da!
Who am I seeing? Riri?
Yes.
What a pleasant surprise. You didn't even give me the slightest clue that you were coming into town.
I wanted it to be a surprise. At first, I wanted it to come to the office, but I said, no, let me come back here so that it can be a huge surprise. Of course, I have your keys, so why can't I?
Oh my God, I've missed you so much.
I've missed you
Tell
too.
me, how's mom and dad?
They're good. I'm so glad that they didn't sell this surprise to you. People they're fine, they send their regards.
Awesome. Look, it's even a good thing you're here. Listen, there's no food in the house. I was actually going to drive out back to get some food.
Yeah, I was wondering. I thought you were not going to come back anymore. Like it's 8 p.m. Is this how late you leave the office?
Listen, today was packed. I had a lot to do today. And I didn't want to bring any work home because my bed would call me and I will answer. And I end up not doing anything at all.
Workaholic. Keep it up. You're very lucky I made something. I made do with the little food stuff I saw in the kitchen. So there is food.
See why I miss you so much.
No, please don't miss me. Go get hitched soon.
Listen, I literally just arrived, all right? I don't have energy for your dragging. I'm going to go upstairs and freshen up and then come back down to eat.
Okay,
all right?
that's fine.
It's really good to see you. You look good.
To see
you look really
too.
good.
Let me go serve your food, okay?
Get you ready for school. Go. I need to get you ready for school. Go. Quickly get you something to eat. Then I'll take you to school. Or I come back to work. Okay? Philip! 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 Oh! Hey. Philip, good morning.
Mr. Philip, good morning.
Good morning. Better Pikin, how are you now?
Please, Philip, help me take this inside, okay?
No while. Now when they go?
Yes. Thank you
No
so
while.
much, Philip.
No while.
Okay,
Bye. Later now.
Hey, why are you cleaning here first when you've not cleaned my office?
Good morning, sir. I'm almost done here. I'll come to your office shortly.
Then you should have cleaned my office first before coming here.
I was cleaning Mr. Nelson's office.
I didn't ask you for any explanation.
I'm so sorry. I'll be in your office shortly.
Be fast and don't keep me waiting.
Oh yes, my company will be more than happy to handle that task for you. Oh, sure, of course. We've handled such projects in the past. Have you checked out our website? then you absolutely should. Yes, exactly. Okay, please do give my gratitude to Alex, okay? All right, I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye. Come in.
Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, good afternoon, Tovia. What's good?
Your lunch, sir. Your PA placed the order for you when I was taking lunch orders.
Yeah, so I don't think I will still be needing that. See, my younger sister's around and she packed more than enough food for me.
That's nice.
Yeah, so you can go ahead and have that one.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. Do enjoy.
Thank you. How was school today?
It was fine.
Baby? What was that face? Did anything happen in school today?
I was laughed at in class today.
Why?
I was asked where I live, and I could not say anything.
Baby, I told you if anybody asks you where you live, I told you what to say. We stay at 3rd Avenue.
But that's our old house. We don't stay there anymore.
But they don't know that, do they? It saves you from being laughed at. So when next anybody should ask you where you live, just tell them that. Alright?
Okay.
Listen, Oyo. I know we don't have the best life yet, but we are certainly not living the worst. Things will get better, so cheer up. Don't worry, I'll buy you biscuits. Your favorite biscuits, okay?
Riri, are you sure I'm gonna have time to eat that food before heading out to work?
Why not? It will soon be ready, yo. Don't go anywhere. Why are you so focused on work? It's always work, 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 work. You're the boss, for crying out loud. There's no need to rush.
Believe it or not, sometimes being the boss means more work.
You know, I'm so amazed at how you leave the house to work and back home. Like, isn't there anything you can do? Like, maybe go visit friends, hang out with friends, something.
What friends are you talking about? You know, Gozi is like the only friend I have, and he and I will get very stressed out at work. There's hardly ever time to do all these fun stuff you're talking about.
And don't tell me you're not seeing anyone yet.
Nope.
Whoa, okay, this is serious. I think I should matchmake you with someone. I don't know, because here is so boring. Whenever you leave, I get so bored. Nobody to talk to, not even your girlfriend to talk to. You need someone.
You. Riri. Bored.
Yeah.
Riri, you're never bored. You have tons of friends in this town. Why don't you just go out, have fun, do what you do?
Okay, bro, this is not about me here, okay? This is about you. You're 32, bro.
Hey, there's time for everything, okay?
Okay, you know my friend Precious has eyes on you. Okay, I've never seen both of you together in my head, but at this point, instead of being alone, I think you should get on with her.
Well, thanks, but no thanks. And what about you? You haven't introduced me to any boyfriend. What's up with that?
There he goes again, flipping it on me. It's not about me, it's about you, elder brother.
Yeah, I hear you, but listen, all right? No woman has tickled my fancy yet. No woman has made my heart skip a beat. When I'm ready to settle down, I will find someone, and you'll be the first to know. In the meantime, get off my case and go get that food, because I'm out of here in 10 minutes, whether it's ready or not.
Okay, elder brother.
almost fell down now.
I'm so sorry, sir. I saw the spill. I went to get mop. I didn't know you were going to come in.
Are you mad? Are you stupid? Eh? Next time you'll be quick to tidy any mess around. You're lucky I didn't fall down. What's going on? You almost fell down now.
Calm down.
I was coming to your office to show you this.
So come with me then. Listen, Ngozi, look, that girl was so scared of you back there. Just take it easy with her.
Do I care? I think it's time we replace that girl. She's so incompetent. The other day, she almost broke something in my office.
Look, you can't just fire her like that, okay? Mistakes are bound to happen. It's inevitable.
Then she shouldn't make such mistakes with me. Because the next time she tries it, I'll make sure we don't pay her in full.
Come on, Ngozi, that's too harsh. Come on, cut her some slack. She's trying, she's working hard. She keeps this office tidy, she runs errands diligently.
And she gets paid for it.
I know. But my point is, let's try and encourage people. She could have chosen to be on the streets and make money through some other means like some of these other girls do, but she chose to work hard and make a decent living. That should count for something.
Anyway, that's her business. Here's the contract papers from Blonzi. I've made the necessary adjustments. Please go through it. I can do the signature.
Okay, I will go through and I'll revert.
Right, that's actually in my office now.
All right.
Come in. The door is open.
Hey, Ricky!
Oh my God! Precious, you look so beautiful.
Period.
Come, please have a seat.
Thank you.
I love your heels, your hair. God! Babes, you're shining, no?
What to do now? A girl has to level up, you know.
Abby.
Ricky, you've really put on some weight. What have you been eating?
Why won't I put on weight when all I do here is sleep? My brother is never around. I don't go anywhere like I used to.
Yeah, talking about Nelson, how is he doing? Like, I can't believe that we live in this same town, but we never even get to hang out.
I thought you guys have each other's contact.
Ricky, you know your brother. He's hardly online. I'll send him a text and he replies me after 2 days. He's so busy.
You don't need to tell me that. My brother is only focused on work, nothing else. But now I'm here, I must change that.
You see, Ricky, now you're here. This is the perfect time for me to use the guise of coming to see you to, you know, keep shooting my shot at your brother.
Please.
What's funny? Ricky, please now. You know, I've been trying my best, but you can talk to him about me because I think he's not even seeing my green lights.
I beg, please, count me out. Wait, do you think I want you for my brother? No, please.
Hey.
Okay, that came out the wrong way. I'm so sorry, please. I'm so sorry, Fresh. Oh, but you know, my brother is a mature man. And I can't possibly link him to anyone. He will do that when he's ready. I'm sorry.
I've heard you. No problem. Since I can't have your brother, at least I can have food, right? I'm starving.
I said I'm sorry now.
I've heard you now. I said I'm hungry. I want to eat.
Okay. I made stew, soup. Which one do you want?
I want stew. Let's go.
Please, help me, eh? Can you, when next you're coming, get your bags and stay with me? Here is really boring. Please.
Okay.
Please.
Okay, fine, no problem. I'm hungry, girl. Let's go. I'm starving, girl. Please,
Okay,
I'm
fine.
hungry.
Oh my God, I am taking these pills, honestly.
Who's there? Tovia,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
are you crying?
No, sir. It's just cold.
Tovia,
Yes, sir.
is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine, sir. I just have a running nose. The weather has been getting to me lately.
Then you should get some medication for that.
Yes, sir, I will. Once I close for the day, I will.
Okay, well, be good, okay?
Yes, sir, thank you.
When exactly is he going to come back?
Nelson is so unpredictable. So babes, just stop disturbing yourself. Wait, that's like the often time you're asking me that. Are you here for me or him?
What do you think I'm still doing here? Look at your face. Please, I'm dying to see Nelson. Yes.
You dying to see him. Let's wait now.
He's back.
Yeah, I think he's back. Babes, calm down.
Please leave me alone.
Hey, this is serious. Bro.
Hey, Nelson. Hi.
Precious. It's been a long time.
Yes, welcome. You look so good as always.
Oh, I do? Well,
Yes.
Thank you. You don't look bad yourself.
Oh, really? Thank
And
you.
Thank you for coming around and saving your friend from boredom.
Oh, Ricky, she actually wants me to stay a few days over, to keep her company.
I'm gonna go freshen up and relax.
Sure, and I'll get your food ready in a bit.
Okay. Well, you girls have fun.
Thank you.
Ricky,
What?
didn't you see his reaction? It's so obvious he doesn't want me to stay over. Like how he just waved it off. It's so annoying.
You are so dramatic. That dude has a lot on his mind. He probably didn't hear you. Besides, I'm the one who invited you here. It has nothing to do with him. Okay? You're sleeping over, right?
I didn't plan that.
No, please now, please.
Okay, fine. I'll think about it.
All right, thanks.
He's gonna help me in the kitchen, okay? My feet is hot.
Yeah, you have to take off that sledgehammer you have there.
You're so silly.
Looking for something?
Yes. My other phone, the Samsung. I thought I dropped it here.
I didn't see it when you returned. You were just with your iPhone.
I must have left it in the car. Let me go and quickly check.
All right.
It's actually not there.
Oops. It's not?
Yes. Please don't tell me I forgot it at the office, because that's the only place it could be right now.
Oops. Whoa.
I need that phone. It's very important. I have documents on it. Look, I'm just gonna quickly go and get it.
Now? Aren't you hungry? I guess maybe you should eat first or go back tomorrow and get it.
Look, no, let me just quickly go now so I can avoid the traffic. All right, I can always eat when I get back.
All right.
All right, be back soon.
Okay.
Ricky,
Yep.
did Nelson just leave?
Yeah. Whoa.
What?
Of all my nightwears, you chose my favorite.
Are you jealous? Where did he go to, please?
He went back to the office. He forgot his phone. So he's gone to get it.
Wow. So, are we waiting for him while we're eating? Because I'm hungry.
No, we can eat now.
Yay, food.
Food.
Alright. What was the answer?
12.
Okay, write it.
Stephanie.
It's okay. Baby, I know I promised I would get a new place for us to stay, but I don't think that would happen as soon as I thought.
Why?
The thing is, we need to pay your school fees first. And there's no other place I can get the money from aside the money I kept for our house rent.
It's okay, Mom. I understand.
You do? How did I get so blessed with a daughter like you? Thank you, my baby.
You're welcome.
Okay. You need to go to bed now. You have an early one tomorrow.
Good night, Mommy.
Good night, baby. I need to use the restroom.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Philip, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Yeah, I forgot my phone. I just came to pick it up. Yeah?
Okay, sir. Hey! I don't die.
Who are you?
Calm down, okay? I'm not going to hurt you, all right? My name is Nelson. What is your name?
Uyoyo.
Yo-Yo. So, who's your mommy and where is she?
My mommy went to use the convenience, and her name is Tovia.
But why are you here? Are you not supposed to be at home?
We don't have a house. This is where we live.
What?
Petra, please. I'm not asking you to gift me the money. It's just a loan.
I'm sorry, Tovia, but you don't even know when you are going to pay me back. I can't take that risk.
Okay, how about I pay you back in 3 months?
I'm so sorry. That's a long time. I really can't help you now. I'm sorry.
All right. Thank you.
Someone that's been here all this while, and no one has said anything to me at all. Well, I didn't know you had a daughter. You sure have a lot of explaining to do.
Mommy, this man here calls himself your boss. Do you even know him?
Sir, we lost our house keys, so we just had to stay back.
Is that right? Oh, you must have known that you were going to lose your keys since you obviously came prepared.
Sir, I'm really sorry. We'll just leave now, okay? We'll just leave.
Leave to where? Where do you want to take this little girl to at this time of the night? You don't have anywhere to go. If you did, you would not be here in the first place. Look, just get your stuff and come with me, okay?
Sir, please, no, you can...
I'm just gonna grab my phone from the office and I'll meet you guys outside. Alright? Alright?
Sir, I'm so sorry, sir. Please, I'm very sorry, sir. What did you tell him? What? Just get your backpack, okay?
Mommy, where are we going to?
I don't know.
Okay, I beg no verse. See, I been no allow her stay for you, but she promised me say she dey save money for house, and money don't dey complete. Now I just allow her stay. Okay, I beg no verse.
So how long exactly have they been living here?
5 months.
5 months?
I beg. See, Oga, tell me she tell you, but she no agree. Beg no verse.
Where are the rest of your stuff?
Sir, please. You really don't have to go out of your way to do this. Sorry.
This little girl deserves better. Just get in the car, let's go. Let's go around. Put in your boots. And open the gates. Go on in, let's go.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye, sir.
Hello, Ricky.
Hey bro, what's up? You've been gone for so long. Are you stuck in traffic?
Oh no, not at all. I just I got caught up with some stuff, but I will be home soon.
Alright, stay safe.
All right, see you in a.
Thank you so much, sir.
I paid for the room for a week. That should give me more than enough time to figure something out for you guys.
Sir, no. You've done more than enough already. I don't want to be a burden to you. Moreover, I've been able to save up some money to get an apartment. I'll get one soon.
How soon? That's what I thought. So tell me, what happened? Where is her father?
He passed on a year ago.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
It's fine. Dilly fell ill and all the money I had went to his treatment. Things became really difficult for us after we lost him. I couldn't afford to take care of the rent and they threw us out.
But what about his family? Your family? None of them could take you guys in?
His parents are in the village. His siblings has their own challenges and family to cater for. And returning home to my mother wasn't a good idea. I'd rather stay back, work, than to stay with her in Delta. She's only trying to manage herself as well.
Well, I'm sorry about what you're going through. No one should have to go through that, especially with a child involved. I will let you know once I find something. I should get going now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
It's alright. Have a good night.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, hey. I was worried about you, so I just had to wait up for you to return.
Shouldn't have. I got held up at the office. That's what caused the delay. You should get some sleep.
No. I could warm your food. It's already cold. You need to eat something.
I don't think there's any need for that. It's already too late to eat anything anyway. Plus, I'm not hungry anymore. Just, don't worry about it. Don't stress yourself. Just go to bed, okay?
It won't take much. Won't you get hungry tonight?
If I get hungry, I have some snacks in my room, okay? Don't worry about it. Just go to bed.
Okay. All right. Good night.
Good night. Come in.
Morning, bro.
Morning, Ricky. How are you?
Good. So sorry, I was so tired and I had to sleep off.
Yeah, it's okay. I found my cleaner and her daughter sleeping in the company lobby. Apparently, they've been doing that for months now.
Wait, that's where they live? How? Are they homeless or what?
Well, it looks like it. I mean, she lost her husband a while ago, so she's having to cater for her daughter all by herself.
Oh my God. That's so bad. Life is really so tough for most people.
Yeah.
Wow.
I mean, I'm thinking of getting them a place. Maybe you could reach out to some agents and see what they could find. In the meantime, I actually lodged them in a hotel. So.
Oh, bro, that's really, really good of you. Anyways, I've always known you to have a large heart. So I'm going to start house hunting soon. A bedroom apartment is okay, right?
Yeah, that should be fine. I mean, it's just both of them.
Okay. Wait, what about your apartment at Aja? It's actually wasting there. No one is there. Why don't they go there?
No, actually, never thought about it.
I could just get people to clean it up and then move in.
It makes things even easier. Well, thanks for reminding me.
You're welcome. Anyways, I came here to take your dirty clothes for laundry.
Ricky, this one that you're being very nice. What's going on? It's like you want something.
What? Can't a sister help her big brother?
That's what you say now. What about Precious?
Oh, she's left already.
Oh, okay. Anyway, they are in the laundry basket in the bathroom.
Okay.
So, this is your new apartment. You can stay here for as long as you like until you're able to get your own place.
I don't even know how to thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. I promise I would save up and get a new place soon.
Right. There's no need to rush, all right? Nobody's chasing you out of here, so take your time.
Thank you, sir.
Mom, I like it. It's beautiful.
No, I know it is. Please tell him thank you. I just want to...
Thanks, sir.
You're welcome, darling. And just call me Uncle Nelson, okay?
Okay.
Anyway, I should let you guys settle in. I'll check on you later.
Okay, sir.
All right. Oh, yeah, by the way, I wanted to ask, are you a graduate?
Yes, I am. I graduated from the Department of Sociology.
Oh, that's interesting. My sister studied sociology. So why settle for a cleaning job when you can be so much more?
It's not very easy, sir. I've been applying for jobs, attending interviews, and still nothing. But it's fine. I won't give up. I'll keep trying.
I understand. The country can be quite unfair sometimes. But find a way to get your CV across to me, all right? Let me see what I can find with some friends.
So thank you so much.
No, don't thank me yet, all right? Let's just see how it goes first, all right? I'll take my leave now.
Okay, sir. This is our new house. Wow. My goodness. this what you like?
Yes.
Look, we have a television. You can watch cartoons. You can watch. Oh my goodness! I can't even. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, sir.
Cheers to bagging more deals like this.
Cheers to that.
I already knew this deal was ours from the day Mr. Kauf and son contacted us.
I know, right? Look, I am just glad that they did not debate our terms and conditions and went straight to payment. This is a huge deal.
Congratulations to the CEO, Hillside Limited.
Oh, come on. You know I could not have done this without the team. We did this together, and I cannot wait to announce it to them.
Thank God it's Friday. We'll go have some fun. And this is the ages we did that.
Absolutely. Come in.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, Mr. Gozi.
Tovia, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Here's my CV requested for.
Oh, okay. Okay, I will get back to you on this.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't understand. She's a graduate?
Yes, she is.
Why is she giving you her CV though?
Well, let's just say I'm helping her find job opportunities.
You're helping a cleaner to find job opportunities since when?
Well, she's a single mom. She needs a better job, and I'm just helping her out. That's all.
Wow. She has a child? Oh, that's good for her. But you're helping her to secure job opportunities, I don't understand, as a good Samaritan, or...
No, you're a very young person. You know, sometimes I feel like you forget that I'm still your boss. I say you need to really respect me like that.
Boss? I'm sorry, boss.
It's more like that.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Are you heading home?
Yes, sir, but I would have to pick my daughter first.
Okay, from where?
Her school is not far from here.
Oh, I see. Well, why don't you hop in? We can go pick her together and then I'll drop both of you off.
No, sir, no, you don't have to bother, okay? I don't want to inconvenience you. It's fine.
It's not an inconvenience, all right? Just come on in.
Sir, her school is not far. I can just walk.
It's all right. I want to help. Come in.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Good evening, Uncle Nelson.
Good evening, dear. How are you? What's wrong? You don't look cheerful.
Please don't mind her. It's nothing serious. Let's go.
Just allow the girl speak for herself. Come on, tell me, what's wrong?
My classmate mocked me because I didn't bring a cake to school. They said I always eat other people's cake, but I don't want to share mine.
Cake?
It's her birthday today and they expected a cake.
Wow. Well, happy birthday. Oh, is that why you're sad? Maybe it's not too late to get that cake, is it?
Sir, please ignore her. I told her I'll get her one on her next birthday.
You know, one of the worst things you can do to a child is to deprive them of a cake on their birthday. You know what? We're gonna go get you a cake right now, and then tomorrow you can bring it to school and share with all your classmates. But first, you have to wear a smile for me. Come on, give me that smile. There you go.
Sir, please, you don't have to.
Just stop protesting already. Let's go get our cake right now. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Let's go. Don't give her that look. Typical African mom.
Thank you, sir.
Baby, do you like your cake?
Yes, I do.
Hey, not so fast. Let's take pictures, right? We need to take pictures of the birthday girl. You just stay here. I'll take pictures of you.
Hold on to it. Yes.
Ready? Now give me a big smile.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Awesome. Let's do a selfie. All of us. Okay?
Cheese.
Oh, that's lovely. Say,
He's so kind, handsome, and selfless.
You go in and freshen up while I feel something to eat, okay?
Okay, Mommy. Mommy, do you like Uncle Nelson?
Where did that come from?
I saw you smiling at him back there.
Well, Uncle Nelson is a nice person and I'm sure everybody likes him.
Is he going to be my new daddy?
Calm down. Things don't work that way. He's just my boss. Yes, he's my boss.
Oh.
Yes, I work for him.
I wish he can be my daddy. I like him a lot.
I know, right? Well, we can't always get what we wish for all the time. So come off the thoughts so that Uncle Nelson won't get offended. Okay?
Okay.
So will you go in and freshen up now?
Yes, I will.
Enough of the questions. Please go.
you. Wow.
Bro, please can you drop me off at the mall? I need to get something.
Sure, why not? And remind me, I need to repair the other car for you. Just a minor fault, okay?
Thanks.
You're welcome.
You're looking all excited today. Did you bag a deal?
No, nothing like that. I'm just happy, that's all.
Just happy. Why do I think that there's more to your excitement? If I didn't know you well, I'll think it's because of a woman. Oh my gosh, bro. Did you just blush? Is indeed a woman. Who is she? Who?
Like I said, I'm just happy. I'm in a good mood, that's all. Nothing else.
Good mood.
Fine, I'll tell you.
Talk. Who?
So, it's actually my cleaner at the office. I think I like her and I've grown so fond of her kid.
Your cleaner?
Yes.
Whoa, your cleaner is making you feel this way. She must be beautiful.
Trust me, she is.
And you just noticed?
Well, not exactly. I mean, I've always known that she has a pretty face, but I just didn't want to, cross any lines or boundaries.
Oh my God, bro. So a woman can make you flush this way?
Stop.
I hope she feels the same way for you because I don't want my brother being heartbroken.
Look, it's just likeness, all right? So just slow down, okay?
Just likeness. That's how it starts. We know all those things. I hope she likes you too.
Thank you.
And I can't wait to see that girl.
I hear you.
You need to see your face.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Tovia, how are you? And how is you?
We are both fine. I'm so sorry, sir. I didn't know you were going to come in early. I'll just quickly finish up with this.
No, it's fine. Just take your time.
Okay, sir.
Tovia,
Yes, sir.
I wanted to let you know that I've given out your CV to a few friends of mine. They are not recruiting at the moment, but I'm still looking, and once anything comes up, I will let you know.
Wow. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. You've been so helpful, and I don't take any of this for granted. Thank you.
You're welcome. You do know that your face lights up when you smile.
Thank you, sir.
Also, I was wondering if maybe you're free tomorrow. I would like to take you out to dinner, but if that's okay with you.
Yeah, it's fine, sir. It's all right.
Okay, that's great. So say 6 p.m. tomorrow?
Sure.
All right. Yeah, you just finish it.
Thank you. Good evening, sir.
Wow. For a second, I thought you were someone else. You look amazing, and I love the dress.
Thank you, sir.
Can you not call me sir, at least for today? Please.
Okay.
Where is Yo-Yo?
She's with my neighbor. I told them I would go out for a while.
Okay, that's great. Shall we?
Yes.
Okay. We should lead the way. Look, Sylvia, you made my night. I'm not even going to lie. I didn't realize you had such a great sense of humor.
Thank you. I also had a great time.
That's good. We should do this again. I really enjoyed myself.
Sure.
Look, I I don't know how this sounds, but I just have to tell you, I like you very much. I find myself thinking about you all the time. I know it's a bit awkward considering the fact that you work for me, and I would totally understand if you don't feel the same way. Tovia, I think I'm in love with you.
Me too, Nelson. I've actually been in love with you for so long, but just been hiding it. I mean, I'm just your cleaner.
Oh, not anymore. Not anymore. Look, I'm going to find you a better job and you don't have to be my cleaner anymore.
Thank you. But please, I would really like to maintain my cleaning job until I get another one. I don't like to be idle. Please.
Alright. But just for this week, okay?
Thank you.
You have such an amazing smile. It literally makes my heart skip. Look, I'm going to do everything in my power to make you and you happy. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, have a good night and give my love to you.
Sure. You too.
Does it interest you to know that I've fallen for you? Does it interest you to know my heart beats fast for you? I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you.
Well, just as I thought, Riri is not home. She never stays put.
I don't even think I'm ready to see your sister yet. I'm so nervous.
Oh, come on, don't be silly. Look, I am 100% certain that both of you will get along well, okay? Look, I know that this might seem like he's moving a little too fast, but to be honest, that is exactly how you make my heart beat. Fast.
I feel so lucky to have you, Nelson. Sometimes I feel like I don't even deserve you.
Let's go upstairs. Yeah.
Madam, welcome. Oh.
Hi, how are you doing?
I did fine, man. Welcome.
Thank you.
I still can't get over yesterday afternoon. It was so magical.
Stop it. I only came to take your order, not to cuddle up with you.
And I already told you my sister is on her way with lunch, so relax.
But it would be so awkward if someone walks in here and sees us like this.
If anyone walks in here, then I will introduce you. I'm serious about you, Tovia. Look, nobody's going to come in here without knocking first, okay? Come in!
Good afternoon, bro.
That's
How
my
are
sister.
you?
I'm alright, darling. You alright?
Ricky?
Tovia?
Wait, you two already know each other?
Riri is Ricky. Your sister.
Who is she? Oh, don't tell me that she's the same girl you've been telling me about. This heartless thing?
Okay, just slow down, okay? What is going on? Why are you referring to her in that manner?
She's the same backstable friend who stole Dele from me. She snatched Dele from me. She's the same person who almost made me kill myself years ago. She's the devil herself. She's the one.
What?
Wait. Is this how low you've gone? A mere cleaner in our company. A single miserable mother. Such irony of life.
Ricky, I am so sorry, Ricky. I'm so sorry for wronging you. I was young and naive. I believe me, that was one mistake I regret so much.
Stop it! Don't you ever in your miserable life call my name again. Now this minute, leave.
Please, I am
Get
sorry.
out.
Please,
I'll get you arrested! Leave! Get out! Go away!
Oh my God. How did you...
What's going on here? I heard voices.
How did you...
Sis, just
How did you get so low? Please, Ricky, please.
What?
Please, Ricky, please. I have been looking for a way to reach out to you, to tell you how sorry I am. Ricky, I haven't been able to forgive myself after what I did to you. Please, I am so sorry. Please forgive me.
You know, the death of Daly reached me. I heard he was really sick before he died.
He died of prostate cancer.
What a pity.
Ricky, I know words are not enough to express how sorry I am. But I didn't mean to betray our friendship, Ricky. I was young. I was naive. I was manipulated. I know no matter what I say or do, it can't turn back the hands of time, but I'm sorry. I am deeply sorry. Please. Please.
Tovia, I forgive you. It's been years. But one thing is this. I will never let you or anything that concerns you close to my brother. Not even an inch. That's a promise.
Ricky, I'm sorry. Good evening.
So it was you. You snatched your own friend's fiancé. How could you do such a thing to her?
I don't have an excuse for what I did. But I was young. I was naive and manipulated. Billy came to me professing love. He told me it was me he loved and not Ricky. And I believed him. I made a mistake and I admitted my flaws long ago. But I was already pregnant with Uyo when I realized. Nelson, I am sorry.
You know, that's very easy for you to say. Do you realize that my sister almost took her life? Ricky almost died.
I know I hurt Ricky. But believe me, I tried countless times to reach out to her, but she blocked me everywhere. Daily advised that I let her be. Since he passed on, I have lived with that guilt.
You know, I thought you were a good person. I thought you were just an innocent girl that life has been unfair to. But now I realize that what you're going through is retribution for your own wickedness.
Nelson, I am not a bad person. If I had the chance, I would apologize to Ricky over and over again.
And you think that's enough? You honestly think that that is enough? Look, I hate myself so much right now for falling in love with you because with everything you did to my sister, my blood, you do not deserve any affection from
Nelson,
me.
please. Listen, I am sorry. Please forgive me. This is my past.
One that has to do with my sister. Listen, I don't want to see you anywhere near the company again. And this, whatever this is, it's over.
No.
Okay? I'm going to send you your payment for
No,
the month.
Nelson,
All right?
please. Nelson, please don't do this, Nelson!
Life isn't how I imagined to be. Everything crumbled before my eyes. I try to hold it all together. Oh, I try. This isn't how I imagined to live. Everything's crumbling before my eyes. But you came and you light up my world. You showed me light.
Welcome.
Hey. Thank you.
Bro. I know you've fallen for her evil manipulations, but you can't be with her. You have to break out of it.
I know.
You're drinking now? Come on, she's not worth it.
Look, Ricky, I'm just gonna go upstairs, all right? I'm very tired.
We have to send her away from the house. She can't stay there. She doesn't deserve it.
Look, just let her stay, okay?
Let her stay? Why? Nelson, we are supposed to cut off every connection whatsoever we have with her. We can't let her stay there.
Okay, so where do you want her to stay? You want her to start living on the streets with a 6-year-old child?
7-year-old girl who belongs to the man that broke my heart. And the girl that betrayed me. I don't care.
Ricky, come on. Listen, I understand how you feel, all right? But please don't transfer the aggression to an innocent child. She did not ask to be here. She has nothing to do with all of this. Just let them be, all right?
Come in.
Thank God you're here. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Tovia is here to resume work this morning. Can you imagine my office is in a mess?
She she doesn't work here anymore.
You finally got her a job?
No, I fired her.
I don't understand. I'm getting more confused here. First you were helping her to secure a job and now you fired her. How? How? I don't understand. How come? Wait. Are you sleeping with that girl?
Why would you even think such a thing?
Come on. I saw how you were looking at her the other day. And I noticed that you're running her a package. At least you should have let your guy know that let me run my own package before you fire her.
First of all, Gozi, that's not even funny in any way at all. Secondly, I have no clue what you're talking about. There's nothing going on between Tovia and I, so please just stop this nonsense. By the way, you're supposed to be having a Zoom meeting with Zion Cooperatives this morning. It's past 8. What is going on?
Nothing is going on. I told you my office is in a mess.
Gozi, it's a Zoom meeting. I'm sure you can manage.
Okay. All right, sir.
They never get back to you when they use that line. They just never do.
Listen, I know I've said this before, but I just cannot help but compliment how beautiful you look in that dress again.
Thank you. You look very handsome too.
Oh, thank you. The man that married you must have been very lucky. Must have hurt to have lost him.
Yeah. It wasn't a perfect marriage though. But it came with a blessing like Uyoyo.
Oh, yes. She's a smart girl. Anyone would be lucky to have her. Sure. You know, I felt an instant connection with her the first time I saw her. Have you been with anyone else after her dad?
No. I've been so busy catering for my daughter and myself. No, what about you?
Well, as they say, single to stupor.
Wow. The girls around you must be blind then. Me, you're one to kill for.
Interesting. So basically what you're saying is that you would kill for me.
No.
I'm just playing.
No.
Hey, bro. How are you? What's up? You didn't go to the office? Bro.
Oh, Ricky. Hi, sorry, I didn't hear you walking. Precious, how are you?
Hi, I'm good.
Are you okay?
Yeah, of course, I'm fine. I think I'll just go finish this up inside. All right. I will see you guys later. All right.
Okay. You see what I've been telling you? That girl is messing with my brother's mind. He's often absent-minded. He's always thinking.
Wait, so he's like this because of male cleaner? He actually chose a male cleaner over me.
Okay.
Ew.
The good thing is that they're no longer together. Precious, please. I need you. I need your help, okay? Please help me. Help me take that girl out of my brother's mind, please.
Ricky, you know I've been trying. He never gives me the chance, remember?
Then take it. Take the chance this time, whether he gives it to you or not. Let's go in. Let's take you to the room.
Thank you. Oh.
This way.
Yes, come in.
Oh, Precious, I thought it was Ricky.
Nelson, I heard what happened. I came to talk about it.
Oh, that. Don't worry yourself about it. I'm getting over it already.
It doesn't look that way to me.
You know, it's funny how life works sometimes. The woman that I am madly in love with turns out to be the same woman who snatched my sister's fiance.
Well, shit happens, but look, Nelson, I'm here for you, okay? I'm always here and I've always been here for you, but you don't just see my lights whenever I try to show you how much I care. Yes. Look. Do you know what? Look at me. Nelson, let me take care of you, okay? Look, I will never leave you, I promise. Hmm?
Mommy, why doesn't Uncle Nelson come here anymore? Did you both fight?
The thing is, Uncle Nelson has really been busy with work.
Oh, is that why I cry at night? Because you miss him.
Maybe, who told you I cry? No. Mommy is just having runny nose. Okay, I'm fine.
Okay. If you meet Uncle Nelson, please could you help me tell him that I miss him?
Please come in.
Oh, you and Dilly made such a beautiful kid. Hey. Hi, sweetie. What's your name?
Oyoyo.
Uyoyo. Beautiful name. You stole Dilly from me. And you're attempting to steal my brother too? You must really have some nerves.
Ricky, I had no idea that you and Nelson are related. I'm so sorry for what I did to you in the past. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me.
Forgive you? You know what, Tovia? Forgiveness is easy when you're not the one hurt. I will never forgive you. Anyways, I've come to tell you that whatever cheap hold you had on my brother is faded. He can't even remember you ever existed. You see this beautiful life-size doll? She is the love of his life, the happiness he truly deserves.
And darling, we made sweet, passionate love last night.
Let's go on to the business of the day, Tovia. I'm supposed to throw you out of this place. But I'm not you. I'm nothing like you, and I can never be like you. So please, I give you 2 months to vacate this place. When I mean this place, I mean the entire vicinity. I don't want to see you an inch close to this place. Okay?
Ricky, that's too short. Where do I go from here? I don't even have a job yet. Ricky, please, all I'm asking for is just more time. Please, I don't have anywhere to go with my daughter.
Do I look like I care? Goodbye, sweetie.
Please.
Life isn't how I imagined.
Ricky, please. Ricky, please!
Everything crumbled before my eyes.
Mommy,
Who
was that?
This isn't
She's
how I imagined
just
to live.
don't worry, okay? Just eat your food.
Crumbling before my eyes. But you came and you light up my world. You show me light. Show me light.
Okay. Hello? Okay, no problem. It's alright. Just give me like a few minutes. Let me say 5 minutes. I'll be there. 5 minutes. Okay. Hey, Tovia. Good to see you. How are you?
Good day, Mr. Gozie.
Good day. Are you heading my way? I could give you a ride.
I should come in.
Yes, that's what I said.
Thank you, but it's not necessary. I can find my way.
I know you can find your way. Doesn't really matter. I can drop you. Okay, fine. I know you're job hunting, but I can help you with something better.
I'm really sorry to say this, but I don't know you to be kind. So why are you suddenly so nice?
Tovia, come on. Must we stand like this and have conversation? Believe me, we can have a better conversation inside the car. Moreover, I'm going for a lunch, so you can join me. Thank you. No, come through this way. Thank you. Why are you not having your drink?
I'm more curious to know what it is you want to talk about.
Why are you pretending like you don't know?
What do you mean?
Okay, I'm sorry about how they fired you from work. But I can get you a good job in my friend's company.
Okay, but...
I like you. I am not like Nelson, so I won't discard you. I know you're a single mom, but I can take care of you if only you make me to be happy.
I see. Well, I am not interested in whatever this is. And no thanks. I can very well take care of myself.
Come off it, Jared. All I'm
I
saying...
am not a whore. Look elsewhere.
Why are you pretending, Tovia? You had something with Nelson and he even used you and dumped you. Why are you here claiming to be a saint?
No, Nelson told you that?
Yes, he did. Or didn't you sleep with Nelson? Why are you finding it so difficult to give me my own share? I'm even promising to take care of you.
Look, I am not a commodity that should be shared. Okay? You're very stupid for thinking you can tell me that rubbish. You and Nelson can go to hell for all I care.
Look at this one. You need help from poverty, and you're here forming hard to get. No man wants a second-hand commodity like you. Rubbish.
Babe, you know it's your food. Babe, look. If there's a problem, you know you could always talk to me, right?
Yeah, I'm fine, right? I guess I just don't have appetite.
Hey, then we need to see a doctor, like we need to go for checkup or something because babe, you look so pale and you've been lacking appetite lately.
No, I don't think there's any need for that, all right? I'm just not hungry. You just cover it up for me, I can eat it later.
Is it because of the cleaner girl that hurts you and your sister?
This is not because of anyone. This has nothing to do with anyone. I'm just not hungry. I just said that.
Do you still love that girl? Because I don't understand what's going on.
I don't love anyone.
Oh. Wow. And me? Nelson! Nelson! He thinks he could just use me to heal, right? He must be joking.
Uncle Nelson!
How are you?
Fine. Did my mommy tell you to help her pick me up?
No, I just came to see you. I missed you so much.
I miss you too. Didn't my mommy tell you? I told her to tell you.
I brought you these.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I have to go now. Okay, I will see you some other time.
But Uncle Nelson, you just got here.
I know, but I have to leave before your mother gets here. Okay?
Are you fighting with my mother?
No, not at all. Alright? I just have some other places that I need to go to.
But you don't come to the house anymore. The other day, 2 women came to the house and made my mommy cry. And they asked us to leave our house. And my mommy was begging them.
What? When was this?
It was since so.
I'm sorry you had to go through
What
that.
do you still want with my daughter?
Mommy!
What? Stay away from my child, please, I beg you.
But Mommy...
Shut up, Oyo! I know I made a mistake and I am not perfect. But you discussing what we had with Gozie, making him feel I am cheap and he can have me too, goes to show you never truly loved me. And that what happened between your sister and I was just a perfect escape for you. Thank you. But please, I beg you, stay away from my daughter.
Bro, what's going on? Why are you treating Precious the way you do? What's the problem? That's so unfair, you know, right?
Ricky, I thought I told you to let Tovia and the kid be. Why did you go to see them? What was that about?
Is that what we should be talking about? We should be talking about Precious who left here angrily.
She left?
Yes! Which girl will stay with such ill treatment with her boyfriend?
Wait, hold on. First of all, I do not remember asking anyone to be my girlfriend, okay?
Really?
Come on, Ricky, I don't love her and you know it. I tried, but it wasn't working, okay?
Bro. Calm down, okay? One thing you should know is that love grows. It takes time. Don't worry, accept Precious. Before you know it, with time, the love will grow.
Ricky, I don't think so. Not while my heart still beats for Tovia. Look, I've tried. I've actually tried to hate her. I've tried to wipe her memory from my mind, but every second of the day, her face keeps flashing in my head. I can't even focus at work. Like, I can't get over her. I've tried.
That girl betrayed me. You remember, right?
I remember, I know that, but I'm trying and I'm failing. I can't get over her. Can't you at least for my sake just forgive and let go? Please.
I've forgiven her, but I want nothing, absolutely nothing to do with her.
But I'm in love with this girl, Ricky. Can't you see? I've become a shadow of myself since I stopped seeing her.
Never. I'll never let her have you. And please, bro, if you truly love me as your sister, you should stay away from her. It's family first.
Fine. I just hope I'll be able to love again.
Sir? Yes. Thank you. You better stop crying.
Go inside and change your uniform.
Leave me alone. You didn't allow me have the chocolate Uncle Nelson bought for me.
And that's for reasons best known to me. Uncle Nelson is no longer our friend.
No! Uncle Nelson is my friend. He's my friend.
Uyo, do you trust mommy not to lead you astray? Fine. I will get you more chocolate on our way back from school tomorrow. Okay?
What about Uncle Nelson? You told me he was a good person.
I know I said that! Yes, I know!
But things are no longer the same with us anymore.
We can't always get what we want, and I need you to start understanding that.
Stop crying.
Just let me be, okay? You let me be. When I told you to stop crying, did you listen to me?
I'm sorry.
Just let me be, okay?
I'm sorry.
I'm stressed. I am very stressed. Why do you have to add more? Just to add my stress. Why?
Come in.
You called?
Yes, I kept some money in this room. I can't seem to find it.
You kept money in this room?
Yes, I actually came back with it a few days ago. I've just been reluctant to take it to the bank. I was going to do that today, but it's disappeared.
Have you searched carefully?
Look, I've checked everywhere, Ricky. It's in the blue nylon.
Blue nylon?
Yes.
Fresh.
Hey.
What's up? What's going on? Are you leaving?
Oh, yes, I am.
What's going on? Why are you leaving all of a sudden?
Bricky, I'm really tired of the way your brother treats me. He's been so unfair to me. Bricky, your brother is so mean. He doesn't talk to me. He yells at me at every slightest chance he gets. He doesn't even touch me at night, Bricky.
Okay, calm down, please. Please, I know you're feeling really bad, okay? Calm down, but trust me, my brother will come around. He'll get better soon, please.
It doesn't look like that, Bricky. Because it's so obvious he's still in love with that thing. It's written all over him.
Okay, calm down like I said, okay? Don't mind him. With time, he'll forget her. Trust me.
Ricky, please. I can't deal with this anymore. I mean, I just want to go away somewhere and just get away from all of this because I think I'm going crazy at this point. I'm traveling.
Traveling?
Yes.
To where?
I don't know. When I get to the hotel, I'll figure that out.
Hotel? You're not going to your house?
Ricky, please. I need space. I've had enough already. I'm so heartbroken. The only crime I committed was staying with a man who wouldn't love me in return. Please. Ricky, let me go, please.
Please, Fresh, calm down, okay? I'm truly sorry. Alright? Trust me, when my brother returns, I'm going to talk to him. Alright?
Okay, I've heard you, no problem.
I'm so sorry.
It's fine, Don't worry.
Sorry. I'll see you off.
Thank you, babe.
Oh my god, that's the bag! I thought you just changed!
What are you talking about?
Precious has a habit of stealing. She even stole from me, and I had to forgive her because she pleaded. I thought she has changed.
Wait, let me try and understand this. So basically, you were trying to hook me up with a bloody thief, Ricky.
No, I'm so sorry, bro. I'm really sorry. I thought she has changed. And I never wanted her for you. I just brought her because Tovia came into the picture.
So you didn't even care if I ended up with a thief just because of your hatred for Tovia? Ricky, how can you do such a thing to your own brother? Okay, what if I had actually fallen for her?
Bro, please, I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry. I really thought she had changed. Okay, don't worry. I'm going to find her and get her arrested.
There's no point. Just let her be.
How much did she steal?
Just 1 million naira.
1 million naira? Oh my God, that thief! That's why she's going on a vacation! God!
It's alright. It's not her fault. I always knew that she never loved me. It was just about the money for her.
I'm sorry.
It's fine, but please, Ricky, listen to me, alright? I never want to see that girl anywhere near this house, because if I do, I'm going to skin her alive. Please.
Okay, bro, I'm sorry, please.
It's fine.
Look what I'm making him pass through because I've refused to forgive Tovia.
I'm sorry.
So, after I pour the water, I would count to 5 and we begin to soak, okay?
But mommy, I'm tired of playing this game. We play it every day. Can't we play this game with rice and chicken? I don't want to soak Gary again.
Baby, I told you this is cassava flakes, not Gary. I see you don't want to play games with mommy again.
Okay, let's play.
Come in. Ricky, please. Ricky, please, I need more time, okay, please. Ricky, I know I don't deserve your mercy, but please have compassion. My daughter and I will live in the streets if you throw us out.
That's not why I'm here. Please sit. How are you? I don't blame her for being afraid of me. You turned me to this person I am today. This isn't me.
I'm sorry, Ricky. Very sorry.
I'm here because I hold no grudge whatsoever against you. Delay came between our friendship. He manipulated you and made you fall for him. But the sad fact is you actually fell for him.
I'm sorry. Honestly, I regret it. I tried to end things with him, then I discovered I was pregnant. And I had no choice than to stay back because he insisted that he didn't want to be separated from his child. Ricky, I am so sorry I hurt you.
Tovia, you were a friend. A very good one at that. But you let Dele destroy and ruin our friendship.
Sorry. Ricky, I am so sorry that I hurt you. I didn't mean to. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I truly do not take this for granted.
I can remember when my brother returned from work and all he'll keep talking about is you.
Ricky, I did not ask for your forgiveness because I want to get back with your brother. Your friendship means so much to me, and it would be an honor if I get that back.
Our friendship will even grow stronger if you continue to make my brother happy. Hello. My name is Auntie Ricky. Your mother and I have been friends for a very long time. So now Auntie Ricky is pleading. Please, can we be friends? Please, please.
Yes, we can.
I can? Oh my God! Come here. Oh, she just said yes. Thank you so much. I have a new friend. Thank you. Don't worry. You don't need to eat that anymore. I have loads of goodies for you. I have cookies, chocolates, whatever you want. All right? Okay? Thank you.
Make yourselves comfortable. I'll go get him.
Okay. Thank you.
Mommy, this house is beautiful.
Shh. Quiet. Okay.
Uncle Nelson!
Hatred and unforgiveness is like holding onto hot coal. It will only burn you.
Thank you, Riri.
Don't mention it.
Okay.
My darling, can I get you to my room?
Yes, you can.
I have chocolates, I have toys, people.
I'm still angry with you, though. You discussed us with Gozie.
I did not. He just assumed.
How then did he know we made love?
I would never discuss us with Gozie. You know how unruly he can be. How would you ever think that I would let another man have a piece of you? You're all mine.
I missed you. I couldn't stop thinking about you.
Me too. I didn't realize how hard life was going to be without you. And now that I know, I am never letting you go, ever again. Let's go inside and talk.
Now I truly see love as it is. You were all that I want and more. It's so hard to not think of you. I think I'm entwined. Does it interest you to know that I've fallen for you? Does it interest you to know?
Come in.
There you are. I was waiting for you to come.
Good morning to you too, Gozi.
Oh, sorry. Good morning, sir. Sir, I made this on my desk this morning and they said I've been transferred to the new branch.
Oh, yes. I asked the secretary to type that up.
But, sir, that branch is very new and we don't have any investors yet.
You know, that was exactly how I started this branch. And look at where we are now. I am believing in you to grow that branch.
Sir, there are other people you can send to the branch, not me.
Have a seat, Gozi. I want to ask you a question. How did we become friends?
I don't understand.
Well, it's not a rhetorical question. I actually need an answer. How exactly did you and I become friends?
Okay, it started with you employing me. We worked together and we became friends.
Great. So imagine if I was rude to you, disrespectful, condescending, or because I was your boss. How would you feel? Look, the truth is you have treated a lot of your colleagues here with disrespect. All right, I get complaints all the time, but I overlook them because of our friendship. This is me giving you a chance to redeem yourself. At the new branch, you get a chance to work with new colleagues. Your relationship with them is what will determine the success of that branch. I want to see if you can change for the better or if you remain this person that you are.
I'm sorry, sir.
No, sorry is not going to cut it this time. I actually genuinely want to see an improvement in your relationship with people.
I'm not such a bad person, sir. Just that sometimes I take out my frustration on people. But now I know better.
Well, I am glad that you know better now. Tovia will be taking over your position as MD.
What?
Yes, she's actually going to be here any moment from now. But what? I personally interviewed her. She did great. As a matter of fact, she's more than capable. Plus, we're together now. I mean, she's my girlfriend. Yes. Come in.
Hi, baby.
Gozi, allow me to formally introduce to you the new MD, Tovia Nnebe.
I have been taught what forgiveness is. I'm glad to see you again, Mr. Gozi.
I'm sorry for everything, Tovia.
It's fine, okay? It's very fine.
Well, now that we have all of that out of the way, let us go introduce the new MD to the rest of the staff. How about that?
But you came and you light up my world. You showed me light. Does it interest you to know that I fall? Does it interest you to know my heart beats fast for you?